Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you Shopify versus Big Cartel, which is the best store builder. So let's get started. So now let's start by looking at what these platforms do and who they are best for. Both Shopify and Big Cartel are popular e-commerce platforms that let you set up online store without needing coding experience. Big Cartel is designed as an affordable option for small businesses and creators, while Shopify, on the other hand, caters to all business sizes and is especially popular among drop shippers. I'll break down which platform might work better for better kinds of users. Now let's compare their key features. Both Shopify and Big Cartel offer store building tools for selling products online, but Shopify goes further with 9,000 apps to help you improve your store, find products for drop shipping, and increase sales. Big Cartel has limited integrations in comparison, while Shopify includes a built-in payment processor compatible with nearly all major payment methods. Big Cartel lacks one. However, both platforms have several free themes and automatic sales tax calculations. And now let's take a closer look at their pricing plans. Big Cartel provides a free plan great for smaller creators, allowing you to list up to 5 products with a single image each. For more features, they offer paid plans: Platinum, which is $15 per month, and Diamond, which is $30 per month. There is no free trial for Big Cartel. And now for Shopify, they have a 3-day free trial, and then you can also enjoy your first month for only $1, and you can use the advanced plan for only $1 for the first month already. So you can just choose here if you want a basic Shopify or the advanced, but of course you should choose the advanced one so you can have most of the features right here. And then what you're seeing here on the screen is the standard prices. So the basic is $19 USD per month, and then the next one, the Shopify one, is $49 USD per month, and the advanced one, which is $299 USD per month. So it's slightly more expensive compared to Big Cartel in terms of the paid plans, but I think it's very much worth it right here because Shopify is already tested and proven, so I don't think you'd regret paying for this one right here. So yeah, they have the monthly and yearly, same as the Big Cartel. You have the monthly right here and the annual right here. So that is the pricing of both platforms. So now here's my honest opinion on which platform I think is best. Both Shopify and Big Cartel are user-friendly, no-code options, but the best choice depends on your business goals. If you're aiming to scale your business, Shopify offers the features and integrations you need for growth. But if you are just a small creator looking for a free, low-cost solution with a small inventory, Big Cartel might be ideal. If dropshipping is your focus, then Shopify is definitely the better option because of its extensive dropshipping tools. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out in choosing which one you should choose. Thank you for watching.